We have a Lady Kenmore electric dryer that's approximately 41 years old, and eventually the handle on the lint screen filter broke off. The lint screen is functional and it still works great. However, it's inconvenient to withdraw the lint screen filter assembly from the dryer to clean it. Therefore, we need to replace it. Unfortunately, this distinctive green color is no longer available 41 years later, and we have bought the most closely compatible and available part, which is in white. We have listed below the product links to Amazon, which are available in the description box below.
Does appear to be matching. Slight difference in the plastic, but overall very similar.
That's it. The job is complete.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.